decide later, a ceasefire. Now that everything they have ever known is gone, grandma is gone, home is gone, school is gone, local masjids are gone, entire neighborhood friends are gone, grandma's garden's gone, the little kitten that used to come play is now gone. Everything is gone. But still, Palestinians say, Alhamdulillah. Only now, as they surge the adrenaline of survival starting to wear off, and they are able to return to north of their beloved Gaza city, the pain of what they've endured will come flooding into their consciousness. Alhamdulillah. There may be no more fear and anxieties, no more survival state, no more experiencing the terror of bombs blazing around them, no more buzzing, no more bulldozers, no more murders, the pain ringing of gunfire wheezing by them. However, it is now the first silent night in 15 months. The shock and the emerge of emotions start. The first quiet night in 15 months. The first moment of calmness. The first stillness and flood of emotions in 15 months. It is only now, in this stillness, when the painful psychological, physical, environmental, and everything healing will start. The ceasefire does not mark an end by any means. We all know that. But the first joyful thoughts of going back to what was once home, to face the reality that everything is destroyed. Uncle Fakr will no longer be able to fix things. No, this moment marks only the beginning of recovery, the beginning of grieving, the beginning of healing, the beginning of restoring Gaza and Palestine. Gaza will now need us more than ever. Don't stop the efforts. Let us increase and inspire others to do so, inshallah. My family and the people of Gaza paid the highest price for us to hold our beloved Holy Land. We will never forget their legacy, their steadfastness, their resilience. May Allah continue to give them izzah and nasr for their sacrifices. May we be part of its liberation and one day pray in a liberated Aqsa in our lifetime, inshallah. Ameen. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. Congratulations to all Palestinian and the Muslim Ummah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.